The 15th of May, 2025. Dow Day Chart Analysis. Wall Street opens higher, S&P 500 extends weekly gains as market eyes technical levels. The S&P 500 edged higher on Wednesday, building on a strong start to the week that lifted the index into positive territory for the year. The rally, underpinned by renewed optimism over extended tariff relief, entered its third consecutive session of gains, despite mixed technical signals flashing across the broader market. The Dow opened at 42,013, with the MLP at 42,101 and Pivot 1 sitting slightly above at 42,114. Today is classified as an inverse pivots day, meaning a move below the opening price could trigger a classic sell signal, a pattern closely watched by traders for downside confirmation. Should bearish momentum materialize, key downside supports come into focus at the KCB levels of 41,773 and potentially 41,475, especially following a recent gap up that could act as a magnet for price retracement. However, not all indicators point south. The KSI and the KCX both remain bullish, suggesting that any pullback may be shallow or short-lived. If the index holds above the opening price, the first upside targets remain the MLP and Pivot 1 respectively. Nevertheless, the 200-day moving average, a long-term trend marker, continues to act as overhead resistance, placing downward pressure on broader sentiment and keeping bulls cautious for now. Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.